Welcome to the new era of video creation with Hey Jen. Simply type your script to get started.
I'd like to talk about a memorable trip I took to Manali, a hill station in northern India. This trip was particularly special because it was during the winter holidays, and I went there with my family. We wanted a change of scenery, away from the hustle and bustle of daily life, and Manali seemed like the perfect escape. I went with my parents and siblings, so it was a real family bonding experience. We traveled by road, which was an adventure in itself. The journey through the hills with winding roads and breathtaking views was just as enjoyable as the destination. We were all so excited to finally reach our hotel, which was nestled in the mountains. Once we arrived, there was so much to do. One of the highlights was visiting Solong Valley, where I had the chance to try skiing and snowboarding for the first time. I remember feeling both nervous and exhilarated as I tried to navigate the snowy slopes. Another activity we enjoyed was visiting the Hidimba Temple, a peaceful spot surrounded by thick forests. The serene atmosphere there was a refreshing contrast to the more energetic activities we did earlier. What made this trip so memorable wasn't just the stunning natural beauty or the activities we tried, but the quality time we spent together. We would sit by the fire in the evenings, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. It really brought us closer, and I felt completely relaxed and at peace. This trip was memorable because it was a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and family time. The beautiful views, fun activities, and meaningful conversations are something I'll always cherish. It was the kind of trip that made me appreciate both the place and the people I was with. I would love to visit Manali again, perhaps during the summer, to see the place in a different season.